This is Wes with Somerset Grills, affectionately known as the Grillin' Villain, and it's Food Friday. As usual, I'll be grilling on the American Muscle Grill today. This is the most unique grill in the industry today, and the reason being we can combine the efficiency of gas with the ability to cook on solid fuels such as lump coal, logs, and chunks. Right now, this grill is $1,000 off nationwide. Pick one up at a dealer near you, and you'll be grilling like the villain. Today, we're grilling steak, potato, mushroom kebabs. I'm gonna lean in here, crank the grill up. Okay, I've got my grill heating. I've got my fire going on the AMG American Muscle Grill. And I've got my water coming to a boil for my potatoes. I've got my water boiling. Nice thing about the grill is versatility. I don't have to put lump coal and chunks and wood over here. I can go ahead and heat anything directly on the flame, just as if it was a side burner. Okay, I'm going to trim the top sirloins, and then I'm going to cube them for our kebabs. So at this point, I'm going to try to trim off some of the excess fat. Get that, toss that, and we'll start cubing these. Just cut them. Okay, I'm going to place my cube steak over here with the mushrooms. Get them out of the way. And I'm going to start cubing a little more here. Well, let me check on my water. They say never check boiling water and never boil. That's not true on the American Muscle Grill. I've had it on for about 10 minutes. We got plenty of hot water there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my small potatoes in there, right on the grill. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I've had my potatoes on boil. I'm gonna take them off and let them cool. Always use a glove. Okay, I'm going to combine my ingredients for my marinade right now. I'm going to put a little olive oil, balsamic dressing, a little rosemary, oregano, salt, pepper, ground garlic. I'm now going to whisk it. I think I've got that whisked pretty well. Okay, I'm going to drizzle my marinade over the meat and mushrooms. Just get it all over. Oh, yeah. I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for 2 hours and let them marinate. Okay, we pulled out our meat and mushrooms that have been marinated for a couple hours, and now we're going to go ahead and build our kebabs. So we're going to go ahead and take our skewers that we've been soaking for about 30 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and assemble these. And it's going to go like this: meat, potato, mushroom, meat, potato, mushroom, and we're going to go right back to meat because that's the main ingredient here. And there we go. Woohoo! Okay, we've got our grilled steak, potato, and mushroom kebabs all put together, and we're going to go ahead and throw them on the American Muscle Grill right now. Got our coals prepared, real nice. Okay, I've had my kebabs on the fire for probably about 10 to 12 minutes, flipped them once. I'm ready to pull them off. Today we're pairing our kebabs with the Ballast Point Fathom IPA out of San Diego. It's a real crisp IPA beer and it's really going to bring the flavor out of our steak kebabs. My assistant has brought me an FM. As we all know, that's a frozen mug. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Nice and cold. Nice head there. Let me go ahead and just kind of blow that off, give it a try. My, that's good. Okay, it's my favorite time of the day, and this is where I get to taste the wares that we've been working on all day. And so I'm going to come around here and I'm going to bite into one of these kebabs here. Get a little mushroom and some steak. Mmm. 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 Is that good, Ella, or what? Man, that is good. If you want to cook like I did, you're going to need one of these, an American Muscle Grill. Right now, these grills are $1,000 off nationwide. Find a dealer near you, pick one up. Ella, if you want to cook like me, you need to go see a dealer near you and pick up an American Muscle Grill, okay?
Okay, villain.